OpenClaw was just a gadget that people fell in love with. They played with it for 3 months and now it's in the trash. And a lot of the influencers, including myself, I also fell for that crap. Basically, nobody's using OpenClaw anymore, and it's annoying because not many influencers are coming out and saying, hey, I fell for the crap, I fell for the excitement, I fell for the, for the hype of it. It was basically a tool that was so innovative, that people couldn't stop using it. But the actual real life use of that tool was it's so far to actually have it use it in your actual life, that's why people stop using it after they kind of try it. You're like fighting it probably on a daily basis. A tool, to be able to use a tool on a long-term basis, you have to trust it. You need trust. If you can't trust an AI tool, you'll always be watching it, and then you're better off doing the job yourself, to be honest. That's why I believe that the real SaaS, the real software as a service market, the tools that you need to build and the tools you need to buy are specialized AI tools for specific tasks. That's the real money. The money's there for yourself. You can use them for yourself, or you can build them to make money. For example, let me give you some example. I built an AI video editor that literally takes a video and can edit it, can add subtitles, can add special effects from remotions, hyperframes, it can add music, zooms, it can add subtitles behind your head. I'm even editing this video with it right now. And that is a specialized AI SaaS tool which actually does something useful and does it perfectly. Because if you're thinking of using OpenClaw or even Claude Code to edit your videos, you are wasting your tokens and wasting your time. The amount of time it will take Claude Code to create a video worth publishing is so long that you may as well just do it manually on Premiere Pro. But when you have a specialized AI video editor like ZippyClip that I created, then you get results. Additionally, another tool I created, which is a specialized AI SaaS tool, is the KDP Book Factory. It allows you to write entire books from one prompt. Now, the reason why it's so perfect is because it has editing features. It actually publishes onto Amazon KDP for you in one click, meaning it does all the dirty work for you. It fills that huge form for you. It does all the text, it decides on the illustration prompts for each page, all from a prompt. That's a real tool. If you think you can achieve something like that with a tool like OpenClaw or Claude Code, you're wasting your time. Even with the best skilled document, you can never achieve perfection unless you have a tool which can be tweaked and tweaked and tweaked to perfection. So for all those people screaming about OpenClaw, come out, tell the truth, tell people you were wrong. Come on, let's be honest with our followers. See you in the next one.